Hi, my name is Stark with Florida Seawall Solutions, and welcome back to our project here at St. Pete Beach at the St. Pete Beach Yacht and Tennis Club condos. I know I've been talking about some of the challenges that we've had, and we've only done a couple of videos here, so you never really got to see the entire process, but I wanted to give you an idea. One of our biggest challenges that we had here was a cantilever deck. Now, the customer wanted to be able to keep all this wood that they had, so we had to be very cautious about how we were going to take it up so that we could reuse it. But on top of that, we had to keep everything labeled so we remembered how it went back as well. But the biggest point to that is we had to set panels underneath this. And that was a challenge all of its own. But I'll tell you what, I've got such a phenomenal team. They kind of viewed it a little bit differently, came up with a great idea, and you know what? It worked. So we've got panels underneath. We are actually in the middle of pouring concrete cap right now. So we've done panels, we've got cap formed up, and by the time that you check us out the next time, this will all be done, the deck will be placed back, and it's gonna be an amazing shot. Please continue to check back with us, visit us on all your favorite social medias, and check me out again here in just a few moments when I show you our completion.